What's up, guys? Welcome to Tasty Tracks. This is a show where me, Jen Tranny, and
Kellyanne Foth.
Kellyanne Foth. Why do you say your middle name?
I don't know, sometimes I like a good middle name.
I wasn't expecting that.
That's my Facebook name.
Oh.
Don't look it up, though. I don't use my Facebook ever.
It won't help. It won't help you get in touch with Kelly. This is where we listen to albums and we tell you our favorite, our tastiest tracks from the album that we like. It's just our opinion, but we're the only ones here, so we're gonna
So it's
go
the only opinion that matters.
So it's the only
right now
opinion that matters
in this room.
That's right. That's why we continue.
Hardly
to stay
anyone
in this room.
has opinions, though, so it's good that we have them.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
it's a rare thing that we have going on.
Yeah, we have a special sense for what YouTube needs, and that's opinions.
Yeah, it definitely needs more. So here's
More
two more
opinions.
opinions.
Ta-da! Yeah. And we're back. Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish.
When we all fall asleep, where do we go?
I will never be able to remember that album title. When we all, I'm looking at it on the board. When we all fall asleep,
where do we go?
It's a legitimate question.
I love this album, and I was not
you.
expecting to, because she's like 40 years younger than me, and super.
No, 20.
I know.
Right? Math.
The point is, she's very young,
Yeah.
very hip.
Yeah.
I am neither one of those
So
things.
hip.
I'm not young or hip, and I thought it was.
Was
just
that when I was supposed to be like, yes you are?
No.
A better friend would have been like, yes you are.
Yeah. When have
You're
you ever
young
been,
and hip.
When have you ever been a better friend?
I don't know. Never. We're on camera. I thought I would
Try. Just experiment. But I didn't think that I was gonna like it. I didn't think I was gonna relate to it at all. I love this album so much. This was a little bit hard for me to pick a favorite song. I did, and it was clear to me, but I have so many honorable mentions that I want to talk about. So many. Get this hair out of
damn
your
it.
face.
There's always one.
What did you relate to the album? What did you like about the album?
I didn't think I was gonna be that into it because I'd only heard a couple things. When you don't hear her whole catalog, you know, it's different, you know, and I'm not hip, so I was just kind of like, I wasn't sure what to do with it. But then I listened to the whole record, and it's actually like beautiful. Like there's some very like jazzy, really great harmonies, because some of it is very like low, and she's got her style, but like she actually is a good singer.
100%.
Which I didn't.
Great range.
You know.
Great range.
Yeah, do you want me to
Yeah, you want to say
my favorite?
Ooh, I'm so excited to hear.
So it was hard to pick between Zanny and When the Party's Over. The only reason I didn't pick When the Party's Over is because it is really got to me and made me feel sad.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Like, and I don't know if it's because I watched that video the first time I heard it, so I've just got this image of this really sad girl trying to kill herself. But I mean, the harmonies are just beautiful, amazing. The arrangement's crazy good. Like, but it doesn't make me feel good, and it makes me feel very intense and deep. And like, I gotta keep that dopamine, serotonin up. So I didn't pick that song, but it's a beautiful song. It was hard to choose.
That actually makes sense.
I gotta do everything I can to keep these levels up, man.
Keep them up. God. Oh, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah. And you know, Xanax can do that. I've actually never done Xanax. I don't know if it does that, but apparently she doesn't like it either, according to this song.
Mm-hmm. So you felt like you could relate to a young person.
Yes. So what was your favorite song on the Billie Eilish record? Oh wait, can I just also say, she loves The Office, and Steve Carell is at the beginning. And I didn't know that. At first I was like, it just caught me off guard. I was like, wait a minute, is that Michael Scott? What is going on? Mm-hmm. And then I remembered hearing that like she's a huge Office fan. So like major points. I don't remember what song that is, but
My Strange Addiction.
Yeah. Anyway,
that was a good one.
Major points for having Michael Gary Scott on your record.
All about the middle names today. All right,
What's
mine.
your middle name? Can I make it up?
Yeah.
Okay. Jen Thomas Tranny. I think that's good. That's a strong sounding name.
JTT.
JTT!
That's why you did that.
No, I didn't. Not on purpose. It
No,
just
not
happened.
on purpose. I know, not on purpose. That's what
organic.
JTT. Of course. Nobody's gonna know what we're talking about. None of the kids are gonna know what
This
we're
is
talking
Billie
about.
Eilish. There was a show called Home Improvement. And there was a kid named Jonathan Taylor Thomas.
The middle child.
The middle child.
JTT.
Randy Taylor. I mean, do you really think that anyone that's her age is gonna watch this though?
I don't think anybody's gonna watch this in general, but
Oh,
you
my mom
and
will.
me and your mom and your dad.
And my dad.
Your dad, Leo.
And
will.
like probably like an aunt or two.
Yeah, Leah will definitely.
Leah will watch it.
Leah.
I love Leah. God.
We love
Leah,
you.
what would we do without you?
Yeah.
Seriously.
Leah.
Just an angel.
Yep. The sweetest ever.
Seriously.
Leah from Switzerland.
Leah from Switzerland.
We love you.
Yeah.
My favorite one, When the Party's Over. It's so good. It's so good.
That was almost yeah, too.
Yeah.
Go.
It hits me in the same way that it's so sad and so layered. But I listened to it one day, I think for 4 hours straight. I just had it on Spotify, on repeat, not the whole album, just the song. And for some reason, even though it's so sad, I felt comfort in it, and I didn't feel like it gutted me in a way where it's like I can't deal with this. You know how some songs are just like, it is beautiful, it is wonderful, but geez, I can't. Something about it, something about the vocal harmonies and the layering of it and the dynamics of it, and just the kind of like, she's so resigned in the performance. Like so laid back. And so like when I say resigned, not as in she's not giving a performance, but there's this like kind of hopelessness to it. This like literally when the party's over, when you're tired and you're just like, I really don't have anything in me anymore. And I felt like her vocal performance really reflected that. Like it sounds tired. It sounds and not again, not the quality. The quality is beautiful. She doesn't sound lazy. Her tone is incredible, but she captures it with the tone of her vocals.
Yeah. And it's pretty much just vocals, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it just all vocals?
I think I read somewhere that it was like it's like 100 layers or something crazy. Like that it was a monster to record. And it took I think it took them the longest time to do, but it's just phenomenal. It is phenomenal. But I feel the same way that you do as far as like honorable mentions. Hang on. Honorable mentions. I'm looking at it right now. Bad Guy. You Should See Me in a Crown.
Can't handle the spiders in that video though.
That is scary.
It was rough.
Bury a Friend.
Bury a Friend creeps me out the most.
Yeah.
Like, just everything about it.
But I have 4 honorable mentions for this album. Like,
You really like this album.
I really like this album.
Maybe even love. Talk to your therapist and check in.
I gotta
before
check
you
in with my
commit
therapist because I'm not supposed to commit to anything to love for all of 2019. So I may be breaking the rules.
Might as well face it. You're addicted to love.
I've been doing good though. Well, no, I've been doing good.
You've been doing better. You've improved. I don't know. I don't know who the hell am I to tell you you're doing? I just don't date at all. That's how I solve.
I still just want to fall in love, just like right like that. I'm trying to stop that. Stop falling.
You gotta
in
close
love.
off. You just gotta shut down. You just gotta
shut it down.
Like when I see a guy and he's like kind of like looking at me, you know what you do? You
What?
just go. Headphones in.
Your phone's not even on. Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, cute guy. Looks interested.
Looks interested in
Gotta call my mom. Hey, mom.
I gotta call my ex. Hold on. I gotta text my ex really quick, just to open that wound.
Oh God, I wouldn't do that.
We haven't done that. I haven't done that.
Jen's way more. You've never done that? Self-sabotage. Self-sabotage. We should do a parody of that song, that Beastie Boys song.
Listen all y'all, it's a sabotage. Listen all y'all, it's a sabotage.
Yeah.
I haven't done it in a while.
Yeah. It's good. It's improvement.
Not since the last one, but then the one before that.
I think you just need to start dating, like maybe go to Van Nuys or something. You need to go out of this area. This Hollywood area. It's rough.
It's really better if I just stay at home.
That's always the best.
Stay away
That's
from
my recommendation.
people
Yeah.
that want to make eye contact with me.
God, don't do it.
Don't make
what phones are for.
Don't make eye contact with me because I'll probably fall in love with you. Don't. This is insight.
Okay.
Don't make eye contact with me and then walk away because that's a surefire sign of no.
That he's gonna fall in love with you. Yeah.
Make eye contact with me and then disappear for 2
I'm
weeks.
gonna hire somebody. I shouldn't tell. Well, this won't work now because I'm gonna tell you. But I should hire somebody to like date you and just be super like, what about Bob, obsessed with you, just always showing up and being over the top, and then you won't fall in love with them.
I'm having a situation like that right now.
Oh.
Not obsessed, but definitely I was like, ooh.
Too much.
Too much. Too much. Too
You
much.
like me too much? Get away, please. I need a little emotional unavailability.
Yeah. I need a lot of emotional unavailability.
Disappear, dip out for a month, don't call me, don't text, and then show up and act like nothing happened. That's how you get Jen. Just you should do top 10 steps to get Jen to fall in love with you, but there's really only 2 steps. There's only a couple.
There's only 2 steps. There's the step forward and the 9 steps back.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Wow. Well, this has been an incredible episode. That's all we got.
That's all we got for you today.
We're doing our high-low.
Oh, yeah.
Goodbye. My fault. My fault.
The last search on my phone was for the Xena title theme song, if anyone is wondering.
You know why? Because she didn't think that I knew the theme song. She was like, okay, sing it. And I did.
I mean, I believed you. Why would anybody lie about that? That's
take it up. And we're back. And here we go. Action. We are doing Billie Eilish.
that's a director's.
Yeah, I know what that was.
It's easier if you do it like this.
Okay, that's not.